Hello everybody, this is Brian with CryptoBlocks, giving you an Ethereum update. It looks like the Dow Jones is having a rough day and Bitcoin is too. It looks like Bitcoin's ready to lose the support, so it looks like that's what's dragging Ethereum down here today. But on the 15-minute, we have a upper resistance level here that it got rejected from, and looks like it's rolling over. Looks like we're probably going to come down here and test this support on this line that we've had going for. This support down here has been going for quite a while. Oops, let me get that fib off there. Sorry about that. Let's get that off there. Apologize. But we've had that daily support started down here, and we've been riding it up ever since. So looks like we're going to test that. We might end up breaking it. Not 100% sure on that. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. But if we break that, looks like we're coming back down to 1460 something, around the 14s. So one thing I was looking at earlier with Ethereum, if we take this whole move that we've had here, we go back to August of last year, and we put a Fibonacci on this whole move. We got up to the 702. If you're not familiar with the Fibonacci retracement tool, traders use it every day. They use this tool. You can use it for price targets. You can use it for retracements to see how deep a coin might go in a retracement, and the 702 is a very important level. If you break through that, and then the 786, you're on a breakout. That coin's going. If you get to the 702 and it gets rejected, like it did over here, it got just up through it just a hair, but it got rejected and it got knocked back down. The last one's, you got hope. If you get through the 702 and you get through that 786, it's gone. That coin's going. But we got right back up to the 702 over here and got rejected again. In my personal opinion, I see Bitcoin breaking its trend line. I think Ethereum's coming back down here somewhere. Hopefully it can hold on there. We don't want to see it fall back down here, but we might, looks like we might fall through this, come up, test it as resistance, and then come back down here. Hopefully we don't head that way, but we'll see. I was looking at the Dow Jones, and it's not looking real great. I was talking about that Fibonacci retracement tool with you. Put it on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which Bitcoin follows that in the S&P, but the Dow Jones came up here, made a top here in December of 21, came down, bounced off support, made another run up, hit the 702, and is getting rejected off it. It's testing some major support right now. We zoom in on the hourly on this Dow Jones. You can see the support up here. It held up. It's right back down at it and again. And honestly, if we have a bad day tomorrow, the markets are about wrapped up for the day. But if we have a bad day tomorrow, it's coming back down here. Yeah. So that's the update for Ethereum. Keep an eye on what the markets are doing there, but look at that red line we got going on there. Whoops, sorry about that. It's probably coming down, going to test this level. Hopefully it doesn't bust through it, but watch that 1580 something level. If we break that, break this trend line, it's going to come down, test that, and roll over and come down here. So we'll check in tomorrow and see where we're at. Everybody have a great night. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great night. Bye-bye.